Here are 3 reasons why you should renovate your home this fall and winter. Number one, if you're thinking about selling, the best time to sell is in the springtime, and the best time to get ready for that is in the fall and winter. You don't want to wait till next year to start your renovation. Do the renovation now, and your home will be ready to list at the perfect time. Number two, we know the fall and winter is time for family and friends. You're going to have your family and friends come over. Get the renovations done before they get there. Renovate that bathroom, finish out that basement, do any type of repairs or odds and ends that need to get done. Do it before they get to your house. And number three, a lot of times people take vacations in the winter. It's the perfect time to renovate your home when you're gone. Don't worry about living in your home when everything's ripped apart. Go on vacation and come back to that freshly renovated property. And the great thing is sometimes it can even save you money because it's way faster to renovate a home when no one lives there. So those are 3 reasons you should renovate your home this fall and winter. When you're ready to start, give us a call. We'll see you at your house.